What's going on YouTube? I just want to make a super quick tutorial to show you how you can make borders and highlight cells in Excel. So to make borders, all you have to do is go to Home, this little guy right here, and you can then choose your border style, or you can even draw borders or change the color of the line and change the style of the line, and there are even additional options beyond that. So you can really make the borders look like you want them to. So for this, I'm going to go to Home, Borders, and pick outside borders. Highlighting cells is similar, so all I have to do is go to Home, click this little fill icon, and select the color that I want to highlight. There being options to select more colors to highlight cells. Now, with that being said, the one thing that makes this kind of cool, it's really cool that you can actually use keyboard shortcuts to make this much easier and much faster. So first, press the Alt key. And as you can see, that gives a series of additional letters you can press. So Alt H for home, and then B for borders. And just press any one of these letters to make your border that you want. So press N for no border, Alt H B, and then T to make this border. Alt B N, no border, Alt H B for this border. And it makes making borders a lot faster. To highlight cells, you can do Alt H, H again, and then use the arrow keys to mouse over the colors that you want. This is really cool too because you can see how different highlights look. So with that being said, really hope that this tutorial was helpful, and please like, subscribe, comment. Any feedback I can get, any support I can get is extremely helpful. So thank you so much. Hope you all have a great day.